If you want to find and manage sound settings on Realme GT8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down just a little bit in order to find Sound and Vibration in this place. Here we can find Live Caption. There is also the selection between the ring mode, vibrate mode, and the silent mode. You can toggle vibrations when you have a ringtone played. So when someone calls you, you can turn on or off the ringtone over here. There is also the vibration intensity, where we can adjust the vibration of calls and alarms, as well as messages and notifications. There is also do not disturb option. We have app-specific volume, so you can adjust the volume for specific apps. The volume sliders, so we have 4 volume sliders, one for media, one for ringtone, for notifications, and for alarm. There is the volume button function, so by default you can use the volume up and volume down button to adjust the media volume, but you can change that and adjust the ringtone volume instead. There is the ringtone selection, so you can choose a different ringtone over here. Same with the notification tone. And there is also more sounds, where we have a bunch of different system sounds that can be toggled. There is the clear voice option, which allows you to reduce background noise when you are on a call. We have sound effect settings, where we can, for example, choose a different sound effects. We have all reality, we have the spatial audio, and the original sound. But this option can be changed when you actually have a speaker or, for example, Bluetooth device connected to your phone. Besides that, we have the holo audio option. There is also the directional audio playback. And in here we can find haptic settings, where we can turn on and off haptics. We can adjust the intensity of haptics, and also we can choose how touches should feel like. We have crisp and gentle option. And if we go to more, we can choose the recording device for your camera. We can play ringtones through headphones, and we also have the in-ear monitoring option. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.